All right, for those of you who were absent on Thursday, January 20th, this is how I want you to complete this worksheet. You're actually not going to be doing the problem by hand. You're going to be doing the problem on DESMOS, okay? So you might have to watch this video a couple of times because you're not getting walked through it in class, okay? So it says write the slope-intercept form of the equation of a line through the given points, and it wants us to use these 2 points. All right, so how do I have Desmos write the equation of a line? All right, you're going to go up to the plus sign. You're going to click on table, and then you're going to put in the first point in the first row. So I'm going to type 1, -1, and then I'm going to put 0.2 in 0, and then 5 in the second row. All right, now in line number 2, we're going to tell the calculator that we need it to write the equation of a line. So I'm going to type in what I was saying in class yesterday was the magic equation. So I'm going to type y1, and then you're going to look on your keyboard. Okay, so look down at your keyboard right now, and right underneath your escape key, which is all the way on the left-hand side at the top. Okay, right below the escape key, there's a key on your keyboard that has a little squiggly line. You're going to press Shift and then that button, and you'll get that squiggly line. Then you're going to type mx1 plus b. Okay, and yes, it looks like y equals mx plus b on purpose. Okay, all right, and then you're going to see here. Okay, you've got these values right here. You've got a value for m, that is your slope. Your slope is -6. And then you've got a value for b, which is your y-intercept. Okay, and so what you're going to do is you're going to go over here to your worksheet, and you're literally going to write down the answer. And it's going to say y equals -6x plus 5. So you can see here, I took these values right here, and I plugged it in over here to get my equation of a line. And that's how you'll do the entire worksheet, okay? Is you are going to use your calculator, and you're going to write down whatever you got for m. It goes right in front of the x. Think y equals mx plus b. Whatever you get your value for b, you're going to write it here. Now, if it's negative, you need to adjust that plus sign to a minus sign. Okay, now the key to doing problem number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, the key, you need to delete every row, hit the plus sign, and do another table. This is why. If you look at the top of my table right here, see how it says x1, y1? If I just add another table, because I'm like, I don't want to delete it. Notice what the table now says, x2, y2. Your magic equation won't work if the top of the table says x2, y2. So you got to delete everything, add a table, okay? And then let's go on here to problem number 2. All right, and I'm going to write the equation, okay? All right, and now here, I'm actually going to, this is a good comparison. So you can see right now the answer already has fractions. You're not going to get fractions here on Desmos. So I'm going to type in 4, and I'm going to type -1. So my first point in my first row, and then -4, comma 0. All right, then I'm going to go here. I'm going to type that magic equation again. y1 tilde mx1 tilde, not tilde, sorry, it's early in the morning. All right, plus b. All right, now notice the difference here. For m, I got this decimal, okay? And over here it says -1/8, okay? And then for b, I got -0.5, and look what it says here. It says -1/2. I actually want you guys to go ahead and do, all right, let's see if I can get my pen to work, okay? I want you to write y equals -0.125 x and then minus 0.5. I want you to write the decimal down on your worksheet, not the fractions, okay? Because I want you to practice using the information that you get here, okay, on your worksheet today. Now, it's okay first, because I'm getting ready to end the video. It's okay if you get 0. It's okay if you get some really, really long, crazy decimal, okay? Because when we keep working on this, because we're going to keep working on this, you're going to get all kinds of different answers. I did not put any type of directions about rounding, okay? You can write down the whole decimal or you can round to 2 places. It doesn't matter, okay? All right, so rewatch the video if you need more hints, but this is all you're going to do for problems 1 through 10. Type it in the table, type in the magic equation, use M, use B, and write down the answer, and you're done. That's all I need you to do. All right, good luck.